what it is, what it don't do. You already know. I got another video for you guys, alright? This the shoe right here. It's on a pair of Nike Blazers, okay? Let me pull these things out for you. There it is. We got that dark mocha suede, buttery suede. We gonna put a bandana on the Nike Swoosh, okay? And that means it's gonna be called Travis Scott inspired. And that's it, okay? It's gonna be short, sweet, and simple. So simple. I ain't gonna waste no more time. We about to hop directly into this custom, alright? I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Let's do it. Now we gotta remove the rest of the stitching, and then we gonna glue that bandana on the swoosh, okay? Okay, let's go, let's go. Alright, all the stitching is out, and now we just gotta put that bandana on here, okay? This is the bandana we're gonna be using. You can get it wherever you want. Amazon, Target, the store next to where you live. Who knows? I got mine from Target. What we about to do? We about to put this like this. Bandana's all cut out. I got the part that I wanted. So the rest of the bandana, you can just throw that away. You don't need it no more.